Today I will tell you how to improve your YouTube channel SEO. If you have a website or a YouTube channel, without SEO you cannot grow it. Hello friends, I am Mark and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more video like this. So let's start the video. Firstly, open your YouTube channel and go to your profile. From there, open your YouTube studio. Once it opens, on its left side, you can see this here setting option. Click on it. Now click on the second option, channel. Click on it. If you can see this here, country of resistance, select the country. After select the country, you will see the second option, keywords. Here you need to add more keywords related to your topics. As example, entertainment, music, according to your channel. Mention your keywords here. At the bottom, you will see the save button. Click on it and your important SEO setting will be saved. This step really help your channel grow. So it's very important to do it. That's all for today. We meet again with the next important topic. Don't forget like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for everyone.